So for this problem, to evaluate the integral for these partial fractions with repeated linear factors. So first, from this given, so we need to rewrite the denominator. So the first denominator is x minus 2, then plus the second denominator, x minus 3, then plus for the third denominator, the quantity of x minus 3 to the power 2. Then in the numerator, so this is a, b, and c. Then from this, so we need to multiply this whole equation by this denominator. So times x minus 2 times the quantity of x minus 3 to the power 2. Then distribute to this term. So observe that we can cancel this whole denominator. So therefore the remaining is 2x plus 1, then equals, distribute to this term. So observe that we can cancel this x minus 2. So the remaining is a, then times this quantity of x minus 3 to the power 2. Then distribute to this term. So observe that we can cancel 1x minus 3, again only 1x minus 3. So the remaining is b times this x minus 2 times x minus 3. Then distribute to this term. So observe that we can cancel this quantity of x minus 3 to the power 2. So the remaining is c. Then times this x minus 2. Then this time, we need to solve for a. Now take note that in solving for a, we need to make b and c equals to 0. So observe from b and c. So there is common the x minus 2 and the x minus 2. So therefore, to make this b equal to 0 and c equals to 0, we let x equals positive 2. So to solve for a, we let x equals positive 2. Then substitute to this equation. So this becomes 2 times 2 plus 1, then equals a. Then we have x. X is positive 2 minus 3 quantity to the power 2. So again, there's no need to substitute this value to b and c because b and c become 0. Then to simplify, so this 2 times 2, this one is 4. Then plus 1, then equals a. And this 2 minus 3, this is negative 1 quantity to the power 2. Then we have this 4 plus 1, this is 5, then equals a. This negative 1 to the power 2 is equal to positive 1. So therefore, a is equal to positive 5. Then this time, we need to solve for c, because take note that we cannot solve for b, because observe, a and c, there is no common, so therefore, we cannot make a and c equals to 0. So for this, we need to solve first for c. So to solve for c, observe for a and b. So there is common dx minus 3, dx minus 3. So therefore, to make this equal to 0, so we let x equals positive 3. So 3 minus 3, that's 0. This one, 3 minus 3, that's 0. So to solve for c, we let x equals positive 3. Then substitute now the values. So this becomes 2 times 3 plus 1 then equals. So since a and b is equal to 0, so substitute now to c. So c times x is positive 3 then minus 2. Then to simplify, so 2 times 3, this one is 6 plus 1, then equals. So this is c times 1, so that's 3 minus 2. Then 6 plus 1, this one is 7, equals c times 1. So therefore, c is equal to positive 7. Then this time, since we have now the values for A and C, so we can solve now for B. Now take note that you can assign any value for B except x equals positive 2, x equals positive 3. So for us to easily solve for B, so we let x equals to 0. Then substitute now the values. So x is equal to 0. So this is 2 times 0, then plus 1, then equals. So again, you can assign any value for x to solve for b. But since it's easy for us to solve for b, if x is equal to 0, so that's why I let x equals to 0. So this becomes now a times 0 minus 3 quantity to the power 2, then plus b times 0 minus 2, and 0 minus 3, then plus c times 0 minus 2. Then to simplify, so this 2 times 0, this one is 0, then plus 1, then equals. Then substitute now the value for a. So since a is equal to 5, so this becomes 5. Then times negative 3 to the power 2, then plus b. So times negative 2 times negative 3, then plus c. So c is positive 7 times negative 2. Then to simplify, so 0 plus 1, this is 1, then equals 5. So this negative 3 to the power 2. This one is positive 9, then plus b. This negative 2 times negative 3. This one is positive 6. And this positive 7 times negative 2. This is negative 14. Then to simplify, so this 5 times 9, this one is 45, plus b times 6 minus 14. Then this 45 minus 14. So this is 31 equals b times 6. Then transpose this 31 to the other side. So this becomes negative 31 equals b times 6. Then this one minus 31, this is negative 30 equals b times 6. Then to solve for b, so we need to divide both sides by 6. So therefore, b is equal to negative 5. So since we have now all the values for a, b, and c, so we need to substitute now these values to this equation. So this becomes now the integral of a. A is positive 5 over x minus 2, then plus b. b is negative 5 over x minus 3, then plus c. So c is positive 7, then over x minus 3. Then we need to put the constant outside, integrate every terms. So we have positive 5, then the integral of dx, x minus 2, then plus, again put this constant outside, so negative 5, then the integral of dx, x minus 3, then plus, put this constant outside, so we have 7, then the integral of dx over x minus 3 quantity to the power 2. So to evaluate now the integral, so for this term, so we have 5. Now take note the integral of dx over x minus 2. So this is equal to ln, then the absolute value of this denominator, x minus 2. Then for this, plus minus. So this becomes negative 5. Then again, the integral of dx over x minus 3. So this one is ln times the absolute value of x minus 3. Now for this term, to evaluate the integral, so if we have positive 6, then the integral of dx over x plus 2 quantity to the power 2. So to evaluate the integral, so if this one is positive, so this becomes negative. Then we have 6 over, so minus 1 for the exponent, so this becomes x plus 2. So this is now the integral. Then if we have negative 5, then the integral of dx over x minus 5 quantity to the power 2. So again, to evaluate the integral, so for this negative, so this becomes positive, then we have 5, then over, again minus 1 for this exponent, so this becomes x minus 5. So this is now the integral. So therefore for this, positive 7, so this becomes negative. Then we have 7, then over, minus 1 for the exponent. So we have x minus 3, then plus c. So this is now the integral for this equation.